Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, and I'm owner of a Google partner company with the name of Aarswebs.com. Recently got a query, so let's see what the query is and then my answer. Google Ads suspended for clocking after compromised site voting. Could a hacked website cause this? Yeah, it can cause it, but let me see your full question first. Okay, hi Ali, hello. My Google Ads account was suspended for circumventing system clocking. Around the same time, Google also flagged the advertising destination as a compromised site. We have never intentionally used clocking, so I'm trying to understand whether these two issues could be connected. Could a compromised website, injected JavaScript, unauthorized redirect, Geo device based redirect, tracking script, CDN, WF configuration, or CMS plugin vulnerability, sorry for the pronunciation, cause Google to interpret the website as clocking? Before submitting an appeal, I want to make sure the actual technical issue has been identified and completely resolved. Because you have experienced this, what exactly did you check or change to determine why Google detected clocking? What did you do before your successful appeal? Okay, we have solved hundreds of cases for Google Ads suspensions, be it for Google Ads suspension for clocking, Google Ads suspension for compromise site. Now I see over here that because your website is flagged for compromised site and your account is suspended for circumventing system clocking, so I may look around on a lot of issues before even applying for the appeal. First of all, let me tell you that be it for any reason, if your Google Ads account is suspended, Google is going to do a thorough review for all of your website. So it's not something you are going to look at brand. You need to look for the broken links. You need to look for search console issues. You need to look for malware issue, adware issue, plugin issue, website speed issue. Some coding issue on your website to see around over here. But now because you have specifically described regarding the compromise site. For the compromise site, I would look for broken links, I would look for adware, malware, content on the website, any theme, plugin issue there can possibly cause the compromise site error. Well, however, thorough investigation sometimes can detect something more. But this is the usual practice for the compromise site. However, the circumventing system clocking redirection is an issue over here because you have discussed regarding this. Okay, injected JavaScript can cause an issue depending upon from where you are looking at. An unauthorized redirect is definitely a issue. It's a confirmed issue. If you are doing a geo device based redirect, we may need to inform the Google regarding this. And the CDN VF configuration is fine, but the plugin vulnerability is a confirmed issue for compromised site. So if you are using a nulled or a plugin with vulnerability, that is a confirmed case for compromised site, and this can eventually lead to the suspension for the Google Ads account, be it for circumventing system or any other reason. However, Google is going to look for all of the factors now, even those which they have not labeled now, because Google is now going to be very hard for you because your account is in the restricted policy. So we need to go around with all of these things. So yes, we have experienced this and this can be sorted around this, but I have just made out the possible reasons. So far we have discovered 160 plus checklist which we use to ensure. Let me show you the checklist just a second. Okay, if you look around some of the things we look around for over here for suspension, so you may see around over here we have figured out many changes, many of the reasons why your account can go into the suspension. Look around over here, so some of the reasons why it looks around, so we have just figured out, and yeah, we can help you with this. If you need our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. My company name is Aarswebs.com. We are a Google partner company and we help clients with Google Ads suspensions. Primarily, we work for the Google Ads management. So you can hire us and we love to help with you to sort out why Google Ads has suspended your account, and may look around for other factors as well on the Google. May be looking around before restoring your access. Now, Google is going to be hard before they restore, so we need to look around those issues, and even once the issues are sorted around, we need to update on Google Search Console so the changes are being reflected on the Google crawler so that they can manually restore. This may require a manual working from the Google team. So yeah, we can help you with it. Thank you for watching and we look forward to working with you. Again, the link in the description on how you can reach me and my team. Take care. Bye bye.